Okay, what do we got today? Burgers, 4th of July weekend?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay. So, well, I'm vegetarian, so these don't have real meat in them. We ended up making these stovetop because Dad said he's not letting this touch his grill
Trigger.
outside. Yeah. So, yeah, we got your typical burger setup. We got some baked beans here, and the key to all of this are either of these two, whichever one you want to use. Now, this one's all purpose. We're not going to use this one today. There's bacon in it. So as badly as I want to, it smells so good. We're going to go with the steak and rib rubs. Still tastes great on a burger. I'm winded from those stairs, Mom. Holy smokes.
Sorry. I know you're usually in the basement, so
I know.
I apologize.
So, whether you're grounding up your meat or just using pre-made patties, you can sprinkle some of this on after, or you can mix it in as you're actually making the patties. So I'm just going to be sprinkling a little bit on each side of this bad boy. All ready to go. Throw on some cheese. You guys know how to make burgers. You put on whatever you want. You could also use the Chipotle Uncle Dan's that they have. There's a great recipe up on UncleDans.com for a good old Chipotle burger. And while you're there, don't forget, use the code ROCK at UncleDans.com and fill up your cart. Anything over $35 or more gets free shipping. You can't beat that deal. You can get all the shakers and cool stuff like that. So basically got the burger made. Oh,
You want any mustard ketchup?
oh
Man?
yeah, huh? I probably should do that, huh? We'll get a little bit of ketchup.
It's not 4th of July without ketchup on your burger.
It's not. I'm going to skip the mayo.
Okay.
Kind of a ketchup and mustard kind of person on my burger. There we go. Quick and easy. A little Uncle Dan's on there to zest things up a bit. Don't make that noise. It tastes close to a normal burger. There we go, Mosh Pit All Stars making a burger with Uncle Dan's, whether you do it before you throw it on the grill or after. It's going to taste good. It's real chewy. Until next week.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah.